Hey, what's up guys, it's Philip and today I'll show you how to post to Instagram from your desktop. I'm using this technique and it works perfectly every time. Okay, let's go. Open Instagram on your Chrome browser and hit F12. This will open the Google Development Console, but don't be afraid of all this code and technical stuff here. Just click this mobile device and choose here Galaxy S5. You can choose another device, it doesn't really matter. Important step right now is to hit F5 to get the mobile version of the Instagram, to see the mobile version. It will refresh the page and you will get this plus button down here. If you don't refresh, you won't be able to see it, so make sure that you refresh the page. From here it's easy, just click plus button, add the image, click next, add some captions, add some text over here, and click share. Okay, you can see your post over here. After the post is successfully shared, just hit F12 again to leave a mobile version and hit F5 to refresh it to the desktop version. This is it guys, thanks for watching, I hope this video was helpful, please subscribe for more videos like this and have a nice day, bye bye.